From the state of Maharashtra, there's a row over the collapse of the Shivaji statue in Sindhudurg. Mahavikas Aghadi leaders are staging a protest, and Aditya Thackeray has reached the protest site. Let me, in fact, go across immediately to my colleague Arunil Sadadekar for more, who is in Sindhudurg as we speak.
Well, Siddharth, you can see a tense situation can be seen at the Rajkot Fort. With me is Mr. Aditya Thackeray. My video journalist Rakesh Chawla is showing you. On the other side is Narayan Rane supporters. A kind of a stalemate can be seen. Narayan Rane supporters blocking your way out. They are sitting at the exit route only now.
Let them sit there. I'm sitting here. I am on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's side. And this is our Maharashtra. These are people who are looting Maharashtra.
So your visit over here was planned. Well, you intimidate the local cops, you're saying. Did they also do the same? Because this is kind of a stalemate and a tense situation that we can see now.
Tell me something. Which immature person tries to create a stalemate in Maharaj's fort? This is a place where an unfortunate event has occurred. And this is what their mentality is. This is what BJP is.
One word on the Home Ministry of Maharashtra, because you've been saying that law and order is being compromised. This is one case which is very tense, very, we can see this can lead to...
the Home Ministry of Maharashtra, even the Central Home Ministry is responsible, because the man who's immature and who's here is covered by CRPF.
The statue basically has collapsed in 8 months. How do you look at that aspect? Maharashtra government has blamed the Navy for it.
Under the BJP government, airports are collapsing, statues are collapsing, bridges are collapsing, Ayodhya temple roof is leaking. This is BJP. This is corruption in every bit.
Deepak Kesarakar says, Maharashtra minister, that we'll build a bigger statue akin to Statue of Liberty.
Which means bigger funds for him.
So basically, Siddharth, I'll show you what exactly is happening here. There is Narayan Rane supporters who have blocked the way of Aditya Thackeray. They're not letting him go from here. It is kind of a stalemate or a tense situation that has developed over here. The supporters of Narayan Rane are raising slogans against Aditya Thackeray. Aditya Thackeray supporters are next to him. You can see how it has become very tense over here. You can see these are the supporters of Mr. Narayan Rane, and his son Nilesh Rane is also present over here. They are complaining that they are not being let inside the Rajkot Fort. You can see there away at some distance is standing Narayan Rane as well. He's standing over there. His son basically is engaging in a tussle with the security officials. What exactly is happening is Aditya Thackeray supporters are saying that they had proper permission from the cops to come over here. You can see this is Nilesh Rane as well, who is the son of Mr. Narayan Rane. It's kind of a very tense situation. You can see how they are beating up each other here. The situation has basically gone out of hand. Very unfortunate. At the very Rajkot Fort, supporters of Mr. Aditya Thackeray and of Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena are being beaten up by the BJP workers who have gathered here. It's a very tense situation that has engulfed the entire Rajkot Fort, the same place where Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue had collapsed 2 days back. And now you can see how supporters basically are engaging in a fist fight at the gate. Abuses being hurled from one side to another. This is Malwan, this is Sindhudurg, the southernmost tip of Maharashtra. You can see Narayan Rane can be seen in the visuals. He is basically waiting for his turn to reach the Rajkot Fort. Abuses being hurled from the side of the BJP, as well as similar kind of abuses being hurled from, be shot back from Aditya Thackeray's supporters side as well. That is Uddhav Thackeray party workers. A very a situation which is basically completely blown out of hand, gone out of hand, and the local police administration clearly has to be blamed for it, because they allowed both the opposition camp, who basically are warring against each other, to enter the same fort at the same time, and now it is kind of a stalemate, unfortunate, violent stalemate that has engulfed the Rajkot Fort.
And Arunil, this has happened despite very strong police presence. There's a large presence of police personnel around you. Of course, they're standing in between the two political parties who are sparring, so to speak. One is, of course, the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena, led by Mr. Aditya Thackeray, who's there at the venue. The other is Mr. Narayan Rane and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Arunil, take us through the scenes behind you, because the clashes that we just witnessed happened despite very strong police presence.
Well, this is the Rajkot Fort where unfortunately Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue basically collapsed. We all know that how much revered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is. Now, what is the situation over here? One side is Aditya Thackeray supporters or the supporters of Uddhav Thackeray's party. Other side is the BJP workers or the supporters of Narayan Rane. They are not allowing this part side to go towards the exit side. This part side is not allowing Narayan Rane supporters to come towards the Rajkot Fort side, basically towards the statue side. A kind of a stalemate. And you mentioned about cops. Very few cops are present over here. The kind of supporters who have gathered, the kind of history that has been shared between Narayan Rane and the Thackeray family. If this much of police personnel were given by the Maharashtra government, then it is extremely unfortunate, one can say, because these kind of violent activities or violent tussles have taken place between the Thackeray cadre, Thackeray leaders and Narayan Rane supporters in the same very Sindhudurga belt in the past as well. Why proper police personnel were not given this time? That is a question that comes to the fore. I can understand they are basically speaking in Malwani language over here. They are saying that we should go there first. Why did you allow them to go there? This is Nilesh Rane in our frame. My video journalist is showing you these visuals of Nilesh Rane. He basically is getting aggressive with the local cops, saying that you move out of our way. We want to go inside. There you can see there is Narayan Rane as well, waiting for his turn to go inside and basically review the collapse of the statue. They basically are raising slogans against Aditya Thackeray. And the supporters of Aditya Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray's party, they are also basically engaging a kind of a verbal battle with the Rane supporters as well. This situation we have seen multiple times in the Konkan belt of Maharashtra. This is the Sindhudurga belt, yet no proper police personnel being provided. The Home Ministry clearly needs to be questioned over here, that why did these two warring factions reach at the same location or at the very same time, and a kind of a watertight stalemate has been seen. Vaibhav Naik is the local MLA, will speak to him. आपके supporters को मारा है अभी राणे के supporters ने, कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. 10 मिनट में हमें पुलिस को बोला था खाली करने के लिए. हम भी उसी टाइप से उनको इधर से मेन दरवाजे से आए थे. पोरे था 2 मिनट था. येऊन दे सके ना
आपने अभी आप और लोगों को बुलाया यहाँ पर?
नहीं, हमारा मोर्चा ही था ना. हम ये पहले से मोर्चा था और हमने पुलिस ने हमको इधर देखने के लिए परमिशन आए थे हम.
पर आप अभी और लोगों को बुला रहे हैं, यहाँ पे तो दंगा हो जाएगा.
नहीं, मोर्चा
गलती है पुलिस ने ये, और जो बीजेपी के लोग हैं उनको पहले ही बुला के रखा. इधर पुलिस भी मैनेज है और ये सबको भगा भी नहीं सक रही है. सबको इधर बुला के वो लोग पहले से अंदर रखा. पुलिस का ये था कि बैरिकेड के बाहर रखने का था सबको, उन्होंने सबको अंदर रखा है इधर. ये पुलिस की गलती है. ये सब मैनेज है.
Uddhav Thackeray supporters saying that this has been managed by the cops. They are purposely doing this.
एक बात सुनो, हम किसी के बाप को डरते नहीं. हमारे नेता हमारा साथ है. आदित्य जी है, विरोधी पक्ष नेता अंबादास दानवे जी साहब है, उनको हमको लेके जाना है. इसलिए हम ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं पुलिस से कि शांतता से हो जाए. अगर हमारे नेता नहीं होते तो इनसे हम लड़ते थे. हमको लड़ने में हमें कोई ये नहीं. इतने साल हम इस विचारों से लड़ते आए हुए.
बट ये जो झगड़ा है ठाकरे वर्सेस राणे, ये इतनी बार देखा गया है सिंधुदुर्ग में, फिर भी पुलिस क्यों नहीं है? पुलिस क्या कर रही है?
पुलिस तो उनकी सरकार की पुलिस है. वो पुलिस उनका तो एक तरफा पुलिस काम कर रही है. उस पुलिस से क्या अपेक्षा हम कर सकते हैं? ये ऐसे ही करेंगे.
सिद्धार्थ will also try and...
मुझे ये कहना है, ये जिला में सिंधुदुर्ग जिला में शांति जरूरत है. जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? वो खासदार है, वो खुद खासदार है. तो उनकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है यहाँ जिला में यहाँ पे शांतता रखेंगी? किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? और जब इनकी ताकत थी, तो जब छत्रपति साहब का पुतला जब गिरा तो ये कहाँ थे? सोए थे. 3 दिन बाद अभी आए, तो उधर रहते थे ना, तो ये गिरता नहीं तब.
Well, the unfortunate situation here is that it can blow out of proportion as well. Nobody is here to control it. On one side is Narayan Rane supporters with whom we cannot speak right now because the cops have made a barricade over here. I'll try and speak to Narayan Rane supporters also, basically who are down over there. I'll speak to Narayan Rane himself. I'll go and get Narayan Rane's reaction, Siddharth, in 1 minute only. We'll speak to Mr. Rane who is waiting here. Nice. लाइव है, अगर एक रिएक्शन आप बात करो कि यहाँ पे So Narayan Dane, basically the local MP from Sindhudurg, said that he will not speak to us, but you can see his supporters have blocked the exit gate, wherein the supporters of Aditya Thackeray can be seen on the other side. We'll try and take a reaction from Mr. Nilesh Rane over here, the son of Narayan Dane. How do you look at this situation? Supporters of both. Well, you can see basically a kind of an aggressive.
Right, Arunil, we urge you to stay safe as well. An uneasy calm in Sindhudurg right now after the police managed to intervene just in the nick of time. But like you rightly said, the police presence is not as strong as it should be. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates from Sindhudurg, Arunil. For the time being, we're slipping into a short break. We'll come back with more on the other side.